Stone farmhouse for sale with a total surface area of 93 square meters. The farmhouse boasts a welcoming and functional space. Upon entering, a bright open space living room welcomes you, which blends harmoniously with the kitchen, creating an ideal environment for relaxing evenings. The double bedroom offers a haven of peace and tranquility, while the bathroom offers all the comforts necessary for a comfortable stay. Outside, a large open space is enriched by a majestic olive tree, which offers pleasant shade during the hot summer days. This space is perfect for enjoying outdoor meals, moments of relaxation, or simply to admire the surrounding landscape. The garage, with a surface area of 30 square meters, offers space to comfortably park the car or to use it as a storage room. The farmhouse is an ideal choice for those who wish to spend their holidays in Sicily, immersing themselves in its culture and traditions, or for those looking for an investment opportunity through short-term rentals. With its idyllic location and immediate availability, this farmhouse represents a unique opportunity to live the authentic Sicilian experience.